The upcoming Oukitel WP200 Pro versus the Doogee V40 Pro. Which of these two 5G rugged beasts is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to be comparing the specs of both 5G rugged devices. Have in mind that the specs of the Oukitel WP200 Pro may not be entirely correct because the device is not released as at the time of making this video. So make sure to take the specs you see in this video with a pinch of salt. But anyways, without further ado, let's quickly compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to get the latest tech updates, news and so on. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.